Welcome, my name is Dr. James Haberfield and I'm from the Unusual Pet Vets. In this video we're going to be looking at how to give your guinea pig an oral medication or an oral feeding product, like the Vetafarm Critical Care. So for the skills are exactly the same. So if you had to give an oral medication like an antibiotic or a pain relief medication in a liquid form, the same skill that you would use for that is how you would also use that to give an oral feeding solution if you needed to. For example, if your guinea pig isn't eating as well and the vet has instructed you to give some of the critical care or similar mix. So that's where this skill will really come in handy. So what you want to do is you want to have your medication ready to go. So you've got it pre-drawn up, or if you're feeding the syringeable medication, you want to have that in a small bowl ready to go before you get your guinea pig out. After that, what you want to do is pop a little towel down on a table or a bench. That way you're working at a height that you can easily work at. And then what you want to do is pop the guinea pig on there, and then you're ready to go. If you've got someone to help you, sometimes it is easy with two people, but I'm going to show you how to do it with one person, so that way you don't have any, you don't always need a secondary helper. Okay, so we've got our guinea pig here. I'm going to pop him down there, and then what we're going to do is we've got our syringe full of the feeding medication there, and basically what we're going to do is just bend down, okay, and just sort of, what you can do, they often want to walk backwards, so I'll show you again. So you just sort of grab him there, let him press up against you, and then keep your hands under him. So if you pop your little hands around his head, you can see he's struggling a little bit, which is quite common, so it's good that he's doing this. And then basically what you want to do there is, with the medication, pop that into his lip, and then as he starts to go, you just start to feed him. So, in you go. So if you're feeding a big amount like I am today, you want to have a bit of a break. Where you want to go in is just behind their front teeth. So if you have a look here, I'm going in just behind their front teeth, and I'm just injecting the medication in. So the skill would be exactly the same if you were giving an oral medication liquid as well. So as you can see, it's not too difficult. The thing people have trouble with is restraining them correctly. And I think that if you think about it, most pigs want to walk backwards. So if you minimise that ability for them to do that, you're in a lot better position. And also the other thing is how to hold their head. So you probably noticed before, but I basically pop my hand under their chin and then put a little bit of pressure on the back of their mouth, and then fed them through there with the other hand. And by doing that, you're semi-immobilising the head. If you don't put any control on the head, they'll just throw it around, and it'll be much more difficult to give them anything. Guinea pigs have a gap, similar to rabbits, between their front incisor teeth and their back cheek teeth that you can't often see. You can't really see their back teeth without special equipment. So what you want to do is go in behind those front teeth there that you can see, and that way you'll know you're in the right position. So yeah, hopefully you feel a bit more comfortable and a bit more confident about giving your guinea pig medication. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact us, and we'll do our best to help you out. Otherwise, thanks very much for watching. Cheers.